Hello and welcome to the Easter Monday edition of E-Prime. I am Dadrian. Miss World Toni-Ann Singh in isolation. The reigning Miss World, who returned to Jamaica recently, shared a message to dispel rumors that she tested positive for COVID-19.
Just to clear the air, I have not tested positive for the coronavirus. I do not have any symptoms. I am in isolation with some of my family members, but that is because of precautions set out by the government, and it's to protect everyone.
Toni-Ann's Miss World travels have been postponed due to the global restrictions.
Enjoying some stillness, some very good home-cooked food, and some awesome bonding time with my family members. One of my favorite quotes says, "Courage is not the absence of fear, but the judgment that something else is more important." And this is even more vital in a moment like this. I know there's a lot out there to be afraid of. I know this virus has us all in a very stressful situation, but I want to remind you all to be of good courage. We will get through this together.
Toni-Ann Singh won the Miss World title on December 14, just days before the corona outbreak in China. Ding Dong says, stay inside. Dancehall artist Ding Dong is promoting the message of social distancing with his new song, Inside, Inside. The Watch Them DJ, who declined to create a coronavirus dance move, instead created a catchy dancehall track which shows how he has been spending his time in COVID-19 isolation.
Me no know, but me know who nah go out there. I mean, bro, you me just ask if you nah bother keep for your own robbing this Friday. No, right now me afraid of people. No long me not even see my vehicle. You a do the right thing, bro, your family need you.
Produced by Kalfani Records and Ramesh Entertainment, Inside has accumulated over 100,000 views on YouTube. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Dadrian. Stay inside.